Alright, so this might seem crazy to some people because you just saw me put this engine back together exactly a week ago. And I did fix it temporarily and get it running, but the thing is I know it's gonna go bad again because of the way I fixed it. It was totally a Jimmy rig job. So I've been on the hunt for some used heads for this thing, and I finally found some that look like they're in really good shape. So I bought them off eBay. They're in San Diego, so we're gonna make a huge trek down there after Luis gets out of school. We're gonna go pick them up, get back here by 7:30 p.m. and I'm gonna throw them on here. So tonight, I'm tearing the top of the engine apart. 2 hours later, all ready for our new heads tomorrow. Just picked up Luis from school. Now we have to drive all the way down to San Diego to get heads for our vans. Are you excited? I'm excited. Let's be excited. San Diego! 24 minutes until we pick up the cylinder heads. We're almost going to Mexico. How's the drive been so far? Great. What have you been doing back there? Tetris? That hill over there, Louise? That's Mexico.
Wow, 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 wow.
That's where tacos, piñatas, mariachi bands, and sombreros come from. Alright, there's our heads in our dirty trunk. Let's do this. 5 hours of driving and we're almost home with the new cylinder heads for motocrossing the moto van. You think I'm going to be able to make it all happen tonight, Louise? Maybe. So is it weird that it's Saturday and we're not at the motocross track?
Yes, and also when I woke up, I was just full of energy.
Yeah, because you slept until you couldn't sleep anymore?
I guess.
It's after 10 a.m.
Yeah.
Normally we'd be getting up at like 6:30 or 7.
Yeah, I woke up without going for that phase where like my eyes would like stick closed and I could barely open my eyes. I like just completely skipped that phase. When I woke up, I felt like I've been awake for hours.
Ready to go. Running perfect. We're gonna do one more test drive before we drive this thing to Paula tomorrow. Listen to that thing. It's so good now. Bam! Headlights. Here we go. Vroom. That's amazing. That's literally the best vacuum pressure you can really have in an engine. Yes, you're coming. Hey, off. Sit. Here we go. Let's see if we make it. Fox Raceway. We're here. Alright, screen time's about to end. Because it's strike time. It's strike time! How'd you pull that off?
Oh yeah, we can't reveal the MXA bike, but we got a 24.5 over here.
What you can't see right here is a 24.5.
Yeah, it looks just like Dada Wolf's the palm of his hand. They're like close in resemblance.
But we can show this much of it.
Yeah, we can show the nut knobs.
Wow.
So the knobs are really good on this thing.
Yeah, so it comes with knobs.
Yeah, it comes with knobs. You're gonna definitely want to buy one. KTM will love to take your money.
All right. Well, sold.
All right, there you go.
And it uses a chain?
Yeah, it does have a chain and a sprocket.
Wow. 3 hours later. Is 107 okay for you? Or are you more like a 106.9?
I'm usually like a 105, carry the 9, but I didn't bring out the calculator today, and my GED never actually got signed.
Oh.
So I don't really know where I land on the whole qualifications for SAT, you know what I mean?
I say you carry the 9 right over that step up.
This guy's full of one-liners, by the way. I like that.
For over 50 years, we have been looking for the perfect case. This case is just that.
Well, we were
Rhythmic.
talking music, and we were talking how odd meter and jazz isn't really that smooth because it's so technical.
Yeah.
And somehow we got around to the point that we're all drummers in here, so I started tapping out some polys.
Yeah.
Here we go, let's get that 4/4
Okay.
going.
Oh!
Let's go, Moto!
Am I intruding? Yes. Oh, sorry. How's it going, Shelby?
There's a reason I pay people to do this.
Josh is gonna try to load his bike backwards up the ramp. You got this. Shelby's getting there.
Hey, what do we got, about 45 minutes right now?
Yeah.
Not bad. You know, cause
Oh!
that's it.
Making progress.
That was the big one. That's the one that you needed. But now the second part is gonna be, is your tube gonna have any holes in it when you're done?
Oh, yeah, look at this. He's already drawn blood.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Man move.
It's an extreme sport.
It is. Gotta be passionate, Shelby. Look it right in the eye.
I'm telling you, if you lube it up with the dish soap, it changes your life.
Where's the dish soap?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Woof, 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 woof.
Shasta the dog. He is a dog. Shasta the dog. He's not a cat. Shasta the dog. He's definitely a dog. Shasta the dog. He has 4 legs. Oh, we got smoke. That's not good. Uh-oh. Our engine is smoking. A lot. Oh, man.
My school, they made us do a report about a hero, and I chose Soichiro Honda. We were supposed to make a doll for the hero, and also a presentation. So I'm gonna read the presentation. All right, Soichiro Honda by Louise Lowitz. Soichiro Honda was born in Komyo, Japan on November 17th, 1906. He grew up in a very poor family. When he was 15 years old, he joined Art Shokai Garage, a popular auto repair shop. The owner of the shop did not think Soichiro was cut out to be a mechanic, so he had him babysit his baby, clean the floors, and prepare meals instead of working on cars. Eventually, he did start working on cars, and then he started to make race cars out of normal cars. In 1946, when Japan was struggling after World War II, Soichiro realized people needed affordable transportation. He began putting engines on bicycles. In 1948, Honda Motor Company was created. In 1949, the first Honda motorcycle was produced. It wasn't long before Honda began engineering racing motorcycles, and they quickly became one of the most innovative and pioneering companies. I am inspired by Soichiro Honda because he had big dreams and he never gave up. Honda motorcycles bring a lot of people great joy, and I even have one myself.